Thank you, everybody. I am Rajesh Chakraborty, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy from Sher-e-Bangla Agriculture University, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Now I would like to present my poster about Biochar, a climate-smart agriculture practice for mailing traits and aroma fragrant rice under drought stress with different time of harvest. Respected judges and fellow participants, Assalamu alaikum. Now the research background. In the context of Bangladesh, the grain milling traits and aroma of scented rice are highly influenced by temperature and time of harvest, not only in case of Bangladesh, but also for all over the world. This milling traits and aroma of scented rice is basically genotypic, but we can control or we can vary this character agronomic by using agronomic practices. So from this perspective, I have settled down my present experiment. Because the farmers of Bangladesh usually harvest aromatic rice at or beyond the full maturity stage and keep it in the field for quite a long time for drying, resulting losses of more aroma from grains. And the review of literature showed that the application of biochar may be a best climate smart agriculture practice, which will fix or sequestrate more atmospheric carbon dioxide in its porous particle, and which will enhance the soil organic matter status. And on the other hand, if we impose artificially drought stress in different growth stages like vegetative or grain filling stage, there may increase the concentration of some osmotic compounds like proline, which acted as precursor of 2-AP, that is 2-acetyl-1-pyrroline in aromatic rice. Therefore, the experiment conducted to find out the optimum dose of biochar and proper time of applying drought stress and harvesting time for the production of quality aromatic rice with more aroma. Here, the simple methodology of my experiment, the Breeden 50 was used as test crop. The experiment comprised of 3 factors, that is factor 1, 2 levels of biochar, 0 ton per hectare and 5 ton per hectare, and factor 2 drought stress. Here I applied or imposed drought stress at 2 stages. That one is reproductive stage and another is grain filling stage. And final factor is time of harvesting. First one is 3 weeks of after flowering. Second one is 4 weeks after flowering, and third one is 5 weeks after flowering. The design of experiment was 2 into 2, 3 factorial experiment with 5 replication, and there was about 60 plastic pots in my experiment. Statistical software was used to analyze the collected data, and the mean separation was adjusted by LSD test at 5% level of significance. Now the results and discussion of my experiment. Table 1 shows that the combination effect of biochar level and drought stress and time of harvesting on the milling traits of Breeden 50. Among the 12 treatment combination, the maximum brown rice yield and had rice recovery was exhibited from B2, D2, S2, and which is statistically similar to B2, D2, S3, and lowest values was exhibited from B1, D1, and H1. In case of application of biochar 5 ton per hectare and drought stage imposed on grain filling stage exhibited more maximum values, it may happen from the increasing diameter partitioning of from this treatment combination. Here the table 3 Combination effect biochar level, drought stage, and time of harvest on the chalkiness, aroma, and taste of breed and 50. In case of international standard of aromatic rice, we prefer white center endosperm is and strongly scented kernel and sweet taste kernel. From among the 12 treatment combination, here I found the white center endosperm from these 3 treatments, and same as the aroma and taste also found from these 3 treatments. In case of table 3, soil data before transplanting of seedling and after harvesting of crop. Before transplanting of seedling, the pH ranged from 6.1 to 6.7, and organic carbon percent is raised from 0.24 to 0.42. But after the application of biochar, here we found miracle findings from my experiment. That is with the application of biochar at the rate of 5 ton per hectare, the pH level has been decreased in soil, and the organic carbon percent has been increased in soil. Now the conclusion, it may be concluded that the application of biochar 5 ton per hectare along with drought stress imposed on grain filling stage and crop harvested at 5 weeks after flowering exhibited the best treatment combination for milling. Milling traits a strong aroma of fragrant rice and higher organic carbon content in soil, which can be treated as climate smart practice. That's all about my presentation. Thanks for patience hearing.